Unveiling Idioms, having a cold finger. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring an intriguing phrase, having a cold finger. Now, you might be scratching your head, wondering what this could possibly mean. Is it about being cold? Or perhaps something else? Stay tuned as we uncover the meaning behind this expression and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. First off, it's crucial to note that the correct phrase we often hear is having cold feet, rather than having a cold finger. This mix-up is common, so don't worry if you've gotten it tangled up before. Having cold feet is a popular idiom in English, used to describe the feeling of hesitation or doubt about a decision or action that one is about to take, especially in important life events like a wedding, a new job, or a big move. The idiom, having cold feet, has a fascinating history. It's believed to have originated from the military, where soldiers might have experienced literally cold feet in the trenches or were too scared to move forward into battle, hence developing cold feet out of fear or anxiety. Over time, this literal sensation transformed into a metaphorical expression of hesitation or lack of confidence in various situations, not just military ones. Understanding when and how to use having cold feet can enrich your English communication, especially in informal settings. Here's a quick guide. To express personal doubt, I'm having cold feet about moving to another country for work. To describe someone else's hesitation, she's having cold feet about the wedding next week. In storytelling or reporting, the main character gets cold feet before the big performance. It's a versatile phrase that succinctly captures a complex emotion, making your language richer and more nuanced. One common mistake is confusing having cold feet with having a cold finger, as we mentioned at the start. Remember, having cold feet is the idiom you want to use to talk about feeling nervous or hesitant. Using the phrase correctly will help you sound more like a native speaker and avoid misunderstandings in communication. We hope this exploration of having cold feet has warmed up your understanding of English idioms and expressions. Remember, making mistakes is a part of learning a new language, and getting to know these idioms is a fun way to deepen your linguistic skills. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep practicing and stay curious about the world of English.